Did you know that in 2024, top freelancers are earning over $100,000 per year? Yes, you heard it right. The digital age has given rise to a new era of work, where traditional 9-to-5 jobs are being replaced by flexible, remote-based freelancing. As the demand for online workers continues to grow, the earning potential for freelancers has reached unprecedented heights. From web development to content creation, the sky's the limit when it comes to freelancing opportunities. So, are you ready to join the ranks and step into the world of freelancing? Now you might think, that's easy money. But hold your horses. The online market in 2024 is fiercely competitive. The first challenge every freelancer faces is the sheer volume of competition. As technology has become more accessible, and the idea of making money from the comfort of your home more appealing, the number of people turning to freelancing has skyrocketed. This means that for every job posting there could be hundreds, if not thousands, of applications. So, standing out from the crowd and convincing potential clients that you're the right fit for the job can be a daunting task. But competition isn't the only hurdle. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is another common challenge. When you're freelancing, the lines between work and life can easily blur. You might find yourself answering emails at the dinner table or working late into the night to hit a deadline. This can lead to burnout, which is not only detrimental to your health, but can also affect the quality of your work. Finding reliable clients is another hurdle. There are countless stories of freelancers completing work only to have the client disappear without paying. It's crucial to establish clear terms and conditions before starting a project, and to protect yourself with contracts whenever possible. Lastly, managing finances can be tricky. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own taxes and health insurance. Without a steady paycheck, budgeting can be a challenge, and unexpected expenses can throw a wrench in your plans. But it's not all doom and gloom. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity. The competition means there's a demand for freelance work. The blurred lines between work and life give you the flexibility to work when you're most productive. The quest for reliable clients forces you to learn negotiation skills and business savvy. And managing your finances? Well, that's just part of adulting, isn't it? Challenging, yes, but not impossible. Let's explore how to tackle these challenges head-on. First things first, you need to find your niche. So let's dive into the solutions for overcoming the challenges we discussed earlier. Yes, the freelancing world in 2024 is competitive, but it's also filled with opportunities for those who know where to look and how to position themselves. Finding your niche is crucial. It's about knowing what you're good at and what you enjoy. It's about identifying a specific area where your skills shine and where there's demand. Maybe you're a wizard with graphic design, or perhaps you write code like it's poetry. Whatever it is, focus on that and become the best. Remember, it's better to be an expert in one field than a jack of all trades in many. Once you've found your niche, build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your freelance identity. It's what potential clients will look at to gauge your skills, creativity, and style. Make sure your portfolio showcases your best work, and don't forget to update it regularly with new projects. This will give you a competitive edge and help you attract clients that value and need your specific expertise. Next, let's talk about setting competitive rates. Pricing your services can be tricky, but it's an essential part of freelancing. Start by researching what others in your niche are charging. Keep in mind that while you don't want to undervalue your work, setting your rates too high might deter potential clients. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your rates reflect the quality of your work and are still attractive to clients. Finally, create a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a visible and engaging online presence is non-negotiable. This could be a professional website, active profiles on freelancing platforms, or even a well-curated LinkedIn profile. The goal is to make it easy for potential clients to find you, learn about your services, and get in touch. Remember, the key is to stay persistent and flexible. Freelancing is a journey, and like any journey, it requires patience, dedication, and the ability to adapt. So, keep honing your skills, keep learning, and keep pushing forward. You've got this. Think it's all talk? Let's take a look at some freelancing success stories. First, let's journey into the world of graphic design. Meet Elise, a graphic designer who took the plunge into freelancing in early 2024. She started small, with just a handful of clients and a modest portfolio, but Elise was committed to her craft, and she honed her skills every day. She used social media to showcase her work, and soon she had a thriving online presence. By mid-year, Elise was earning more than she ever did in her traditional 9-to-5 job, and by the end of 2024, she achieved a six-figure income. Now, let's shift gears to the tech industry. Consider the story of Arjun, a software developer who decided to venture into freelancing. Arjun faced immense competition in the saturated tech market, but he found his niche. He focused on developing software for small businesses and startups, offering customized solutions at competitive rates. His client base grew, and so did his income. By the end of 2024, Arjun was making twice as much as he did in his previous job. And it's not just about the money. Both Elise and Arjun now enjoy the freedom and flexibility that freelancing offers. They can choose who they work with, when they work, and where they work from. They have the freedom to set their own rates and the flexibility to balance their work and personal life. They've found success not just financially but also in terms of their overall life satisfaction. These stories are not anomalies. They're examples of what's possible when you dive into freelancing with determination and a strategic approach. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. But the rewards, they're well worth the effort. Elise and Arjun are living proof that freelancing can lead to significant financial success in 2024. They've overcome challenges, they've grown, they've thrived, and they've paved the way for others to follow in their footsteps. Inspiring, isn't it? That could be you. So let's recap what we've covered. We started by exploring the potential of freelancing in 2024. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, and freelancing has emerged as a viable, lucrative career option. With the right skills and strategies, you can tap into this potential and make a living from the comfort of your own home. Next, we delved into the challenges that freelancers face in today's competitive online market. From finding the right platforms and niches to standing out in a crowded marketplace and managing finances, freelancing isn't without its hurdles. But don't let these challenges deter you. They're just stepping stones on your path to success. We then discussed various solutions to overcome these challenges. By leveraging popular and profitable platforms, honing in on your niche, and mastering the art of self-promotion, you can navigate these hurdles with ease. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between your skills, your passions, and market demand. We also highlighted a success story to inspire you. This freelancer started with nothing but a skill and a dream, and through hard work and perseverance, they've achieved significant financial success. Their story is a testament to what's possible in the world of online freelancing. So what does all this mean for you? It means that whether you're a designer, a writer, a programmer, or any other professional, there's room for you in the freelancing world. It means that with dedication, persistence, and the right strategy, you can build a successful career out of freelancing. As we move forward into the last quarter of 2024, the potential for freelancing is only set to grow. More and more businesses are turning to freelancers to meet their needs, and there's no reason why you can't be one of them. Remember, with dedication and the right strategy, you can make a lucrative career out of freelancing. So, ready to take the plunge into the world of freelancing? Indeed, the journey of freelancing can be as exhilarating as it is challenging. But remember, every successful freelancer started somewhere, and it's never too late to begin your own journey. To help you navigate the freelancing waters, I've created a series of videos packed with valuable tips and tricks, designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to thrive in the competitive freelance market of 2024. From identifying profitable niches, to mastering the art of pitching, to managing your finances, these videos cover every aspect of the freelancing journey. But here's the thing, learning is a two-way street. Your experiences, your stories, your insights, they're invaluable. That's why I encourage you to share your freelancing experiences in the comments section. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer with wisdom to share or a newbie with questions to ask, your contribution can make a difference. Remember, we're in this together. We learn from each other, we grow with each other, we celebrate each other's successes. That's the beauty of this community. So, go ahead, explore the other videos, share your stories, ask your questions, and let's make the world of freelancing a little less daunting and a lot more rewarding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mastering the art of freelancing. Until next time, keep hustling.